What if I told you the shiniest, most flavorful chicken you've ever tasted relies on a lazy bubble, a 2,000-year-old condiment, and what I lovingly call hot tub time for a bird? Let's illustrate how it's done. Step 1, the dry principle. First, meet your chicken. You must become its personal towel attendant. Pat it dry with the dedication of someone polishing a vintage car. Step 2, brewing liquid history. Now, for the transformative bath, the master sauce. This is where history simmers. That bottle of soy sauce, its ancient ancestor was a fermented soybean paste from the Zhou dynasty. Brilliant cooks found the salty, umami-rich liquid that pooled on top was perfect for preserving and flavoring food. They'd reuse it for years. We're basically making a modern, turbocharged version of that ancient family heirloom in one afternoon. In goes light soy for salt, dark soy for that legendary mahogany color. It's like the chicken's little black dress. Water, a chunk of rock sugar that looks like edible amber, more Shioxing wine, and the aroma team, ginger, green onion, star anise, and cinnamon. Bring it to a simmer and let the flavors have a get-to-know-you party for 10 minutes. Step 3, the temperature tango. Time for the first magic trick. We lower the chicken in, breast up, and immediately lift it out. This shocking technique equalizes the temperature so it cooks evenly from the get-go. No cold spots. Then we commit it back to the bath. Now the most important command, lazy simmer. A violent boil will make the proteins tense up and toughen. It's like a stressful day at the office for the chicken. We want a relaxed, gentle bubble. Think of it as the chicken's spa day. Step 4, the boasting ballet and the food science, siesta. For 15 minutes, we become a human water feature, ladling that fragrant sauce over the exposed breast. This constant bathing builds color and flavor layer by layer, then a careful flip and another 15 minutes of basting. Now the second act of genius. We turn off the heat, cover the pot, and walk away. For 40 minutes, the chicken just steeps. This is where food science does its best work. The residual heat gently breaks down collagen into silky gelatin without squeezing out a single drop of juice. It's the opposite of overcooking. It's under-stressing. So, what does this triumph taste like? It's the deep, soul-warming savoriness of pure umami, gently sweetened with caramel notes, and perfumed with the faintest whisper of spice. The meat isn't just juicy, it's imbued, saturated with flavor down to the bone. The skin is a sticky, slightly sweet, profoundly savory prize you'll fight over. Chop it through the bone for authentic texture, garnish with confetti of green onion and cilantro, and serve with fluffy rice to catch every drop of that incredible sauce. You haven't just cooked dinner. You've bottled history, harnessed science, and created a new family heirloom. Now go start your own master sauce legacy. Save that sauce and let the flavor history continue.